Storms may come, winds may blow. Not all storms cause disruption. Some storms come simply to clear the path. Though the wind always seems to blow, birds will continue to chirp, flutter their wings, and the sun, it will continue to shine. Irregardless as to the type of storm you may be experiencing, give yourself a little grace, because the storm shall pass. I'll share a secret with you that will assist you in getting through any storm. Behave like a bird of prey. Instead of allowing a storm to knock you out, knock you down, knock you out of commission, become the preyor on your storm. Not for nothing, it will require effort on your part, but know that it is feasible. This may require you to cross the street in order to make your 180-degree mental change. When you do this, know that this is how you are able to conquer your storm. Have a great day, Conqueror. The UHCEO. Shalom.